everyone, this is Taisha Sellers and Clarissa McNeil, and today we will be giving you an informational lesson on active transport, followed by an experiment. Also in our lesson, we will be comparing active and passive transport.
So you might be wondering, what is active transport? Well, active transport is the process by which dissolving molecules move across a cell membrane from a lower to a higher concentration. And active transport particles move against the concentration gradient and therefore requires an input of energy from the cell.
There are three main types of active transport: the sodium-potassium pump, exocytosis, and endocytosis. The sodium-potassium pump is a structure known as a cell membrane pump that uses energy to transport sodium and potassium ions in and out of the cell.
Exocytosis. Exocytosis is very similar to endocytosis, except that it deposits materials from inside of the cell on the outside instead of the other way around. Vessels are formed in the Golgi bodies filled with materials to be sent outside of the cell and then merge with the cell membrane and release their contents outside of the cell.
Endocytosis. Endocytosis is a process by which cells can take in large particles and deposit them into the cell. There are two subcategories of endocytosis: pinocytosis and phagocytosis. Pinocytosis brings liquids into the cell, while phagocytosis is responsible for transporting large particles or other solids into the cell.
Now that we're done explaining the basics of active transport and the three main types of active transport, let's move on to comparing active transport and passive transport, shall we?
Now, while active transport requires energy in the form of ATP, passive transport requires no energy.
Also, active transport moves from low to high concentration against a low concentration gradient, while passive transport moves from a high to low concentration down a concentration gradient.
Now let's stop comparing and go straight to our experiment, shall we?